Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. Today I want to show you an update on the Kraton. The last time I ran this was just in a recent video where I showed it on the backyard in the grass running on these Minokawa tires. And the rear dog bone popped out after a big nosedive. Oh, that broke something. The rear drive shaft had popped out of the vehicle. Now, in order to get it back in, I couldn't flex it. I actually didn't end up taking the brace off. What I ended up doing is taking the center diff out. So I have since removed the stock fluid in the center diff, and I've gone up to a 500,000 weight diff fluid. Now my front has 50,000, center has 500,000, and rear is stock, which is approximately 5 to 10,000 in the rear. The other thing that I've done, as this is a V2, I've added the V3 dirt guards. And I installed these on a stream just last week. It's Hangout 2 on Steve OD313 channel, where I installed the front guards, I serviced the diff, as well as the third thing that I've done, which I'll get to in a minute, is on the rear of the vehicle. To continue talking about this front dirt guard, the V2 didn't have these, it only had the lower protection. Well, the V3 adds this, goes all the way up around the pins, right up to the front shock tower, and they tie in down here on this metal plate. But in order to get this mounted, this metal plate has to come off. So it did take a while to do it. I was thinking that it would just bolt right on through these upper screws, but there is one screw that has to go in from the bottom. Doing the diff service is standard. I have shown servicing the center diff on my Typhon. It's the exact same process if you want to see how to access that. The only thing's different is this cage needs to come off, but that's just a few extra screws. And the third thing that I did to this vehicle was something that I've had for a while but never installed, is the Wheelie Bar. It really doesn't stop the increase of the vehicle much, but yeah, it'll ride a little bit smoother on its wing now instead of catching the rear. It is very snowy outside. I'm going to keep these tires on with this setup and see how it performs. But the first thing I'm going to do is, because it is snowy, and something that I think I forgot to do, is to put a hole in these tires. So something that's always good to do if you're running in the winter or in any kind of wet environment is to slit your tires. So either got to put some holes or some slits just to let the water fling out. All right, here we go. Kraton 6S Minokawa with 500K center diff fluid, new wheelie bar, and new front dirt guards. Let's see how this thing performs. As you can see, it has gotten a lot snowier out. We are mid-November 2018. It's the tires are a little bit troubling. Yeah, these tires are not good on snow at all, but we're gonna have some fun here. Play around in the driveway a bit. Ow! Oh, we lost rear drive again. What happened? We lost rear drive. Did that happen again? Popped at the drive shaft? Get over to the deck and take a look. Oh, whoops. Whoops. I think the screw come out. Something with my rear diff is broken. Yeah, that's turning, but the rear, I think it's either the grub screw or the rear diff has broken. All right, well, so much for that. That didn't last very long. All right, more repairs needed. Well, there wasn't much for this video, but I'll let it dry out and we'll take a look. These tires are not good on snow anyway, so put the Badlands back on for the next time we run it. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.